Look, I broke my Mac screen. When I was doing upgrading, came out some line. This side also. This side was no problem. I was trying to fix it and came out. It became worse. So, actually when I was open the screen, I was using a credit card. Just goes too deep. So you have to be very careful with upgrade. So you see, this one is 10.8.5. Lots of RAM. It's old iMac 2012, but very good one. If you manage to upgrade to SSD, super fast. So I believe you tried many times to upgrade it, and you stuck there. Actually, from the 10.8.5, you have to upgrade to the which version? Wait me seconds. Yeah, actually, you have to upgrade to this one, which is, if you Google it, you can find it on the official website of the Apple website. Yeah. So then you double click on it, and you can see absolutely this one. And after installing, nothing happens. Yeah. So what the problem? Let me tell you. It can save you lots of headache. Actually, you done it. Where is hidden? The updates is very naughty, The Apple guy, they are very naughty. So you click on Launchpad. Yeah. Can you see? If you have lots of app, you might need to go to the next page. But my one, because I reinstall it. Yeah. So look here. Yeah. Install OS X EI caption. Okay. So now you know the solution. Very easy. Double click on it. But if you don't know, you know that you're struggling a few days or even longer. So I hope this video help you. Press thumb up or subscribe my video, please. Thank you so much. Good luck for the rest of your journey. Bye for now.